quick review on Putzmeister TK40 serial number 1990. This machine will be a complete assembly, complete refurbishing. I'm gonna go over some of the items we're gonna do. The machine requires new wear parts, new material cylinders. I mean, most of the items that are wearable will have to be replaced. Here's the hopper, inside of the hopper, the bearings on the agitator, the whole thing has to be done. We'll also do, like I say, material cylinders, piston cups, those grease fittings and the grease blocks. We're gonna replace the outlet bearing, we're gonna replace the fenders, we're gonna replace the tires, the brakes, the axle bearings, the handbells, if they're bad, we're gonna replace the hydraulic oil, the controller, all of the controls are gonna be redone, all the electronics inside of this, the throttle cable, the hydraulic gauges. You see this right here, this gotta go. We'll put a new one in. We'll fix the engine that has nothing wrong, or the hydraulic pump. However, we're gonna be servicing, adjusting the valves, cleaning everything up. The machine will be delivered completely cleaned up, completely with brand new stickers and zero grease, none of this stuff like this or anything like that. Let me show you what a machine, once we finish with it, what it looks like. So the way the machine looks like once it's finished, it's kind of like this. This is a finished product. Look, you see all the gauges are brand new. All the stop piston cups are brand new. The machine is completely cleaned up. Some of them we paint, some of them we don't. Now, we do put new stickers on every single one of them. All the wearable parts are brand new. All of this stuff has been redone. And that's kind of like the way we deliver them. And here's another example on shrink pumps. These two are going out already. They've been sold. So that's kind of our end product. This is what it looks like. So what you saw on the TK40 essentially is just the preliminary. Thank you.